Hi all, welcome back to another episode of Weekend Vlogs. Today's recipe is pizza, whole wheat pan pizza. I got many requests for making this pizza on stove top. Hope you will like this video and try this at home. For that, in a large mixing bowl, I have taken the wheat flour of about 2 cups. Into that, adding 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, and little salt, and mixing it well. Adding some oregano, that is the Italian herbs mix, and adding the warm water. Nicely, we have to knead. At least we have to knead for 15 to 20 minutes. That makes the pizza more soft. Shape the dough into a ball and place in a large mixing bowl that has been coated with lightly with olive oil. Turn it over to coat all sides. Cover tightly with a plastic wrap and allow it to rise at least for 2 hours. Moving on to make some easiest pizza sauce ever. Into a bowl, adding some tomato sauce, little sugar, adding chili flakes, oregano and little salt. Mix it well and the pizza sauce is ready. And I have cut some vegetables, taken olives and fried the chicken. You can add any toppings of your choice. Depending on your type of yeast you used, your dough will be doubled in size about 2 hours. So always use the best quality yeast. Now grease the non-stick pan with some olive oil. Here I have got 2 balls from the dough, so planning to make 2 pizza. Flatten one ball of the dough directly into the pan. Flatten into a round circle, flattening and stretching the dough. Lift the edge of the dough up to create a lip around the edges. I simply pinch the edges up to create the lip. Now just poke the surface with the fork to prevent bubbling. Usually olive oil is used in pizza recipe, but you could use sunflower oil instead. Now let's move on to the assembling part. For that, let's spoon the pizza sauce over the crust. Add a thin layer of mozzarella or pizza cheese, then add all the veggies. You could add whatever you like. Here I am adding some onion, capsicum, mushrooms, olives and some fried chicken. If you are a vegetarian, you can skip the chicken. All the measurements will be mentioned in the description box. Do check. And finally, sprinkling more cheese on top. You could reduce or include more cheese on top according to you. Now cover it with a tight lid and switch on the flame on a very low flame, and for 30 minutes you have to cook. In between you need to check and preparing the other pizza in the oven. We have to repeat the topping process as that of done in previous pizza, and we have to keep it in the preheated oven for around 180 degrees Celsius about 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese turns melted and bubbly. Forget Domino's and Pizza Hut when you can now make a better pizza at home, that too without oven. In this recipe you will find the easiest way to make a pizza on your stove top. The crust turns out to be a little crispy on the onside and the soft inside. The pizza sauce which is shown is very simple and easy to make, which takes this pizza to another level. Homemade pizza definitely tastes better from scratch, and it's cheaper too and a great activity to do as a family. And do definitely try this and let me know the feedback. And the pizza is almost ready. The yummy-licious pizza is ready. I will tell you, this is so easy and very simple to make, and it will definitely save your money and your calories as well, because this is whole wheat pizza and it's very healthy too. So definitely try this out and hope you all like this video. If you're watching my video for the first time, do subscribe, and thanks for watching.